What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another edition of Scene Seekers. Appreciate you hanging out with me today. Today, I'm gonna show you something nice. This here is a 92-gallon saltwater tank. And I put it together by myself. So stick around and I'm gonna show you how I did it. What's up, YouTube? Thank you for joining me for another edition of Scene Seekers. Today we're doing another saltwater edition. Today, well, actually yesterday I picked up a 97, I think it's 97, 92, it's in the 90s though. It's a 90 something gallon tank. It's a big mess right now. I'm traded it for a tattoo because I'm a tattoo artist. In case y'all guys didn't know, I'm a tattoo artist, so I'm trading this tank for a tattoo. So it's not the most nicest tank that I've seen, but it's already built for salt water. It comes with sump and everything. I'm gonna let you guys check it out. Y'all stick around and I'll show you exactly what I'm getting myself into. All right, guys, see you in a moment. All right, guys. I'm here in my garage. Excuse the mess. It's always messy in here. But let me show you what I'm working with, guys. Here we go, guys. You see what I got here, guys? It's a big mess. It's a bow front corner tank, 92. But it's a big mess. But it comes with, you know, some lights. See, that's some current. That's a really good light that it came with. And it comes with some T5s. See that? Not bad. It's a big mess down in there. Look at that, guys. I gotta get some plumbing going on. I got the sump. Sump is messy, super messy. I'm fixing to clean this up. Here goes the stand. Not bad at all. It's also messy. See the inside? Full of sand and dirt and everything you can think of. See that, guys? I really don't know what I'm getting myself into. It's like gonna be a lot of work to actually get this in running mode. So what I'm gonna do, guys, what was recommended was to clean it with white vinegar. See that, guys? I got 2 bottles of this, so I'm gonna get a scrubber, like a sponge with a scrubber on the end, and just go to town on it, guys. I'm gonna rinse it out with water first, regular water, and then go to work on this. The vinegar, supposedly it cleans it real good. I'm gonna get a razor blade also and just go to scraping on the glass and kind of not scraping, but you gotta shave the glass a little bit. It actually takes all the oxidation off the off of this tank here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get things situated. I'll turn the camera back on here once I'm ready to start cleaning, and I'll show you the steps that I take to get this tank in running mode. So y'all stick with me. Alright guys, peace. Alright guys, got me a broom, a little dustpan, because there's still a lot of little dirt in there. So I'm fixing to take all that out of there, and the majority of that crap, and then go to wiping.
Up on the double, these boys want trouble. They call me Flintstone. They
I have a razor blade, an old rag, scrubby pad, and a big bottle of white vinegar. I actually got 2 bottles. I can start cleaning.
I escape from an asylum. You know the 3 digits, bitch. You better die. Don't matter where you at, do you represent your city?
So what I do is I just pour it on the sponge. Alright guys, now it's razor blade time. Everything's pretty decently clean. You can see it's way better already. So all I'm doing is taking the razor blade and just scraping away at the calcium buildup on it. You really can't see it, but when you got the razor blade on it, you can feel all the little crap that's on it. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'll show you how I'm doing it. Just repeat that to all your glass, and you'll have pretty much like brand new glass. It'll look really good. Check out the tank, guys. I'm done with the tank. I still got the sump and the lights and everything to go as far as cleaning goes. But check out the tank, fellas. I know about that. Look at that. Clean, clean. Even the sand in here is clean. You know what I'm saying? That was a job though. It took me probably about a good hour for sure. But I'm fixing to get on this sump right here, guys. And then the stand. Clean the stand up a little bit. And it's on, fellas. So just remember, get that white vinegar. This stuff right here works wonders for calcium buildup on the tanks, especially for salt water. So yeah guys, I'm almost done. Just stay with me, and you'll see the outcome to this tank pretty soon. So y'all just bear with me, guys. I'll show y'all more here in a little bit. I'm fixing to work on this sump, which is a big mess too, probably worse than that tank. So as you can see, move this out the way. I got a little job ahead of me, guys. So I'll get back with y'all here shortly, so y'all can see exactly what I'm gonna do. I might even just clean these lights first. Might be a little easier. Well, I got time. I think I'm just gonna do the big shit first. I mean, the big stuff first. All right, guys. I'll get back with y'all here shortly. Thank you for sticking around still. Peace. Look at that, guys. Clean. Nice and clean, guys. The only part that's not that clean is that bottom part down here. This part right there. I can't stick my hand in there, it don't fit. But I think that's as good as it gets on that sump, guys. So got the tank done. You know, so now all that's left is the stand. Stand's pretty dirty. All it is dust, really. Just a little dusty. I'm just gonna dust that off real good, and I'll be ready to pretty much set up. Appreciate y'all sticking around. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment on the bottom. If you can give me some advice or something, feel free, because you know, I like to learn stuff as we go here. So all right, guys, y'all stick around. I appreciate it, man. Deuce. What's up, guys? I'm back with an update on the tank. Here it is so far, guys. It's all right. Only thing is, I'm gonna have to get better lights, because these lights do not work. I'm either gonna have to get some better T5s, because only one works in this T5, and the other current light doesn't even work at all. So yeah, I'm stuck having to pretty much buy some new lights, but it's okay. This is what I gotta do. But here's the sump, guys, and I'm barely putting it together. I got the skimmer in there already. I'm fixing to put the return pump in here. But looks like everything's coming together, guys. Slowly but surely. So I'll just stay tuned. Here goes my other man-off blue wall. I believe this is a spec. Yeah, doing good. Been a couple of days now since I messed with it, so I'm gonna do what I can, finish it up, and maybe I can explain to you guys step by step. You notice this sump barely fits in there. It's like hanging out in the back a little bit, which is all right. That's why I got these little pads right here, because it evens out the tank a little bit better, because it's sitting on that wood over there, and this is just a little bit off of how high it is, but I think it's gonna work. But yeah, guys, almost done with this. I still gotta put the plumbing. Y'all see the plumbing up there? Plumbing's awful. So let's see what we do. See how it does. All right, guys. I'll get back with y'all here after a while. Oops. What's up, guys? I'm back for the update on my tank. Actually, earlier the light wasn't working, but me, as a man of many talents, I just kind of figured out what was wrong with it, since I got another plug, another light just like that current light that's on here already. I just kind of took that light and see if it worked. I actually worked with my other plug, so I knew how to do something with this little With that little box right here. See this box here, guys? That right there. That right there was messed up. It had got water or something in it, but I opened it up, cleaned it up real good, soldered the little wire that came loose, and bam, back in action. So I actually got a decent light right now, but I'm still upgrading on my lights. So that's what I got, guys. Nice and clean. It's got a little bit of dust in it, but compared to what it looked like, fellas, oh man, it's gorgeous. Look at my sump action. You know what I mean, guys? It's clean. It don't take nothing but a little dedication to make sure you get everything situated. It looks good. I even got my reactor in there ready to go. I just don't got no pellets yet, so. But other than that, man, it looks good. See? Not bad at all, guys. I'm on my way to Frank's Tanks. I'm gonna go get some live sand, and I'm missing my little my jet streams, my little spray nozzles. They go right here from the return pipe. So fixing to go grab that from Frank too. So I got my water, salt water mixing as we speak. So I'm off to Frank's Tanks, guys. Maybe y'all can come with me and we'll see what's cracking over there. Alright, fellas. I'll see y'all here in a few. Well, we're here, guys. My favorite saltwater place to go, guys. Straight up. This guy treats people like family. So I just want y'all to check out what he got in here. I'm gonna take a quick run through. Come on, let's go. Look at Art's in the house. So I'm here with Mr. Frank Tanks himself.
Okay, yep, we're located at 6080 South Hewlin Street in Southwest Fort Worth. We're about a mile south of Hewlin Mall on Hewlin Street. If you're in the area, even if you're not in the area, come see us here at Frank's Tanks.
Y'all see that, guys? This is family over here, buddy. So we're gonna get it. Back to the big tank here. Just filled it up with some salt water. Got the sump running, everything's running in here real good. But it seems like everything's running pretty good. This water out, it could be clearing up here about another day or so. So everything's running, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is actually like the third day, guys. 3rd days of me messing with this tank, so it's been kind of hectic. Really, that's not too bad. 3 days, I got it running pretty good. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to get this done. So, alright, guys, well, like I said, appreciate y'all hanging out with me. I'll be back with you for the rest of the update here, probably in a couple of days, or I'm not really sure. I think maybe when that water clears up, I'll do another little video. Alright, guys, appreciate y'all hanging out again. Deuce. What's up, guys? Okay, this is gonna be probably like 2 months maybe 2.5 months after I bought the traded the tank for tattoo. So the video is kind of late. I've been trying to keep myself from posting it, but I figured I would just get it all together real good, make it look pretty decent, and then go ahead and, you know, while I got fish and coral in it, so y'all can actually see how it's completely done. The only thing I'm lacking is a few power heads, but I'm gonna grab those too. So come on, I'm gonna show you what I did. Alright guys, I got a canopy up on my tank. I got fish in the tank already. Corals, a few corals, not much. Like I said, it's been about 2.5, close to 3 months since I actually put this tank together. So I even let you check the underground here, my sump. As you can see, I got everything running already. Get some of this stuff out so you can check it out a little better. Yeah, my wiring's a little ugly in there, but it's still a work in process. As you can see, my skimmer's skimming. I got my reactors in there, GFO and carbon reactors, but got it all running, guys. And as you can see, it's all in working order, guys. Let me pop this off for you. Nice and clean. My lights up there. I'm actually gonna, once I get more coral in there, more SPS, and my power heads in there really good, I'm gonna have one more light exactly like this one. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna shine straight down. So I might have to get rid of this. I'll still keep this one probably. It's just gonna be an extra light overhead. So yeah, I think I'm gonna scoot this light as far as I can to the back like that. Put my other light like right here. I have to do a little bracket like I did for that light to hold that up. So I'll probably have to take this down and then just put another light up. But I'm not worried about that until I get more coral in there. So right now they're doing okay. But yeah, that's the update on the tank, guys. You know, like I said, it was like I think it was like 2.5 months from beginning to when I first started, when I traded the tattoo for the tank, to right now. So it's been like a long process to actually get it exactly how I want it. So, well, it's still missing, like I said, my power heads, a couple of vortex. I'm saving up for that. If y'all don't know anything about vortex power heads, they're very expensive. The MP40, the one I want, is $500. So yeah. But other than that, that's it on the tank, guys. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me through this whole mess with me. You know, look out for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.